Number 6, take a chance. It means to do something that involves risks.
Sometimes you have to take a chance in life. Sometimes you have to take a chance in life. He decided to take a chance on a new job. He decided to take a chance on a new job. Taking a chance led her to unexpected success. Taking a chance led her to unexpected success.
Number 7, take after. It means to resemble a family member in appearance or behavior.
She really takes after her mother in looks. She really takes after her mother in looks. He takes after his father in personality. He takes after his father in personality. They say I take after my grandfather. They say I take after my grandfather.
Number 8, take part in. It means to be involved or participate in an activity.
I want to take part in the school play. I want to take part in the school play. They took part in a charity run yesterday. They took part in a charity run yesterday. She always takes part in community events. She always takes part in community events.
Number 9, take a risk. It means to do something that might result in loss or failure.
Entrepreneurs often take risks to achieve success. Entrepreneurs often take risks to achieve success. Taking a risk can be scary but rewarding. Taking a risk can be scary but rewarding. He took a risk by investing in stocks. He took a risk by investing in stocks.
Number 10, take up. It means to begin to do or practice something, often a hobby.
She decided to take up painting as a hobby. She decided to take up painting as a hobby. He's taken up cycling to improve his health. He's taken up cycling to improve his health. I want to take up learning a new language. I want to take up learning a new language.